Tired of wasting your spare time without earning a dime? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll reveal the secrets to making $25 in just 4 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. Discover the most efficient and legitimate way to earn money on your own terms. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your earning potential. Watch now and start making money in your spare time today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine being able to make $25 in just 4 minutes. With this innovative platform, you can easily earn money whenever you have a few minutes to spare. Testbirds.com. Don't let your spare time go to waste. Start making extra cash by completing simple tasks. You can now turn those moments into profitable opportunities. Testbirds stands as a beacon of opportunity in the realm of user testing. It generously rewards you for your time and effort spent on testing websites and mobile apps. Rest assured, it is an authentic platform where your contributions are truly valued and rewarded. Embrace this chance to make a difference while earning from it. Earn money by sharing your valuable opinions about software. Your insights are worth rewarding, and the payment system reflects that. The amount you earn is proportional to the complexity of the task. For a regular usability test, for instance, you can expect to earn around €20 or £15. In addition to a fixed amount for your test report, you'll receive additional payment for every bug you find. And if you happen to uncover serious technical bugs, your earnings will increase even further. When you receive an invitation to a test, you will be provided with all the deadlines. It is completely up to you whether you want to participate or not. You have the flexibility to choose whether to take the test during the daytime or at night, based on your convenience. All you need is a device which allows you to go online. With just a device and an internet connection, you already have everything you need to embark on an exciting journey as a test bird. Your curiosity and willingness to provide valuable feedback make you the perfect candidate for testing software. Embrace this opportunity and let your voice be heard in shaping the future of technology. Your insights and expertise will make a difference. To become a tester and participate in paid client tests, all you have to do is register as a tester on the platform, fill out your basic and advanced profile, set up at least one device to test with, complete the entry test. This is an introductory test which will help you familiarize yourself with the platform and testing standards. Once the Bird Masters have approved your report, you will be ready to take part in paid tests for real clients and products. You will also receive a €5 bonus payment for completing the entry test, which will be redeemable once you have earned a minimum of €6 on the nest. You can get paid directly to your bank account or PayPal. Join Testbirds today and start earning money effortlessly during your spare time. Sign up now and experience the financial freedom you deserve. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.